video I'll be explaining how to use the sum function of Excel. So I'm going to zoom into the worksheet so that I can focus on small area. First I'll select the cells by dragging the mouse and without leaving the right button of my mouse, and when I'll select these cells, then I'll have to go to the right corner down and zoom. Then I'll be able to see these uh, selected cells more properly. So I'll be explaining how to use the sum function of the Excel. So let us take example of class result. So and there is one more option or feature by which we can auto size this cell, which means, for example, we can look at here that T is not fitting into this box. So to make it fit into this box, first we'll have to go here, and then when the cursor will change into this thin line, then we will have to double click the right button, and then this will automatically get fit into this box. So let us take the serial numbers, or let us take the names of the students. So names, and here we are going to take the subjects. And let's take names. Or and I'm selecting these marks randomly. And let us take more names. Let us take Sam and Ram and put in the marks. So, and now we want to do the sum of these marks. Total of the marks obtained by four students in their maths examination. So first we will have to go into this box and then put the sign of is equal to, and then write SUM sum, and then we will have to put an open bracket and then select these boxes which we want to add, and then again we will have to close this bracket, and this bracket is on top of the 9 number, and we can put it by using shift key. And after putting this formula, we will have to click the enter button, and see we have got our sum. And by double clicking on this button, we will get to know the formula. And if we want to sum these numbers, then we can also apply the same formula, or we can do the simple way. We will have to go on this box, and then we are able to see a small square box in this, and we will have to take our cursor on it, and when the cursor will change into small plus sign, we will have to click the right button of the mouse and drag it to the box, to the next box where we want to apply this formula. And when we will leave the button, then the same formula will get applied over here, and we'll get the total marks of English. And from here, from this formula, we can get to know, for example, G4, which is this box, sorry, G4, which is this box G4, and colon G7, which is this box G7. So in this way we can get the total by using this simple formula. And I'm going to write this formula over here. First we will have to put is equal to sign, then write sum, then we will have to put an open bracket, and let's take an example that we want to add these 59 and 49. We will select this, and by when we will select this, we will have to keep the right button of our mouse clicked, and then drag the mouse towards right, and when the boxes will get selected which we want to add, then come back down and leave the right button, and then again put the close the bracket, and then select enter. We will get the sum. So this was